In this video, I'll show you how to fix a paper jam on your Canon printer, that is the TS7720 or any similar models. First place to check for a stock paper, you're going to go on the side of the printer and you're going to lift the front cover, the top cover. Stick your finger, pull up. And now you may notice that there is some paper stuck over here. If this print ink carriage is not sliding the way you see it over here, it will give you this paper jam error. So check over there, make sure there's no stuck paper, check the other side, and if you see something, go ahead and remove it with your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. Now, if everything looks normal to you over here, it probably means that the paper jam is somewhere else. So push this up and wait for it to go down, or you can push it. Go on the back of the printer. Let me turn it around. So here, all you have to do is to remove this panel by pushing. And that's another place where you can find some stock paper. There's a good chance that these rollers didn't do their job properly and the paper is over here. You can also lift this over here like that, so it gives you more space to look at any stock paper. Maybe even over here. You see, this is the rubber rollers that are taking the paper from the rear feeder. Once you have found the paper jam and you have removed the paper that was causing this paper jam, what I suggest, let me just close over here. Okay, what I suggest is that you unplug the printer from the power source, so simply plug it, even if it's turned on, and then plug it back. The printer will restart, or at least if you press the power button, it will restart, and the error will clear by itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.